about what each of us are doing. And so maybe, again, since it's a small enough group, let's just go around, say your name, your project, and one or two things about what you hope to get out of the event. So I'll start. I'm David Boswell. I probably know everybody here. Oh, thank you. David Boswell, work at LFDT. I'm part of the staff that is here to support the work that you're doing. And if I haven't had a chance to really meet you yet, looking forward to doing that over the next couple of days. So.
Hello, my name is Marcus. I quite some time already with LFDT, so I'm helping on the tech as well for the last 3 years, I believe. I'm mainly working in the Hyperledger Fabric ecosystem, Fabric X, Fabric Private Chain Code, Fabric Smart Client, things like that. Those are the projects. All right. I hope to, get the chance to speak to you all, and I hope we can collaborate more in the future. Thanks.
Thank you. I'm Kevin Milliken. I work on the Minokawa project, which is a zero-knowledge programming language. I'm also a first-year tech member. What I hope to get out of this is I had a 15-year career working in open source, but it was at Alphabet. So I'm trying to learn how we do real open source. Pass it this way. Yeah.
Okay, hey, I'm Hendrik from Hashgraph, and I'm part of the Tech 2 and working on the Hyro project and reading the TSC there. And yeah, I'm come in general from the open source perspective to that project and did a lot of open source in the past in Linux Foundation and Eclipse Foundation.
Hi, my name is Weijia Zhang. I'm a maintainer for LFDT Smooth project, which is a fairly new project. I'm also a VP of engineering of OneChain. This is a interoperability project since 2018. So I've been working on interoperability for quite a long time. And also I'm chairing the interoperability working group for EEA, Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. And I come here to know about people and know about things that are happening in interoperability and other spaces as well. And I really love talking to LayerZero as well, people in LayerZero as well. Well, thank you.
Right. Hi everyone, so I am Senthil. So I have been part of LFDT since 2016, but this is my first event. And I am visiting most of the people I chat on Discord for the first time. So I started to contribute code to Fabric in the year 2016. So now we are working on Fabric X. So as I said, this is the first time, right? So it's really good to meet all the people and get connected in person. So that's the main goal. And also we can see whether we can do any collaboration in the Fabric X or in other projects as well.
Hi everyone, my name is Yoav. I'm from IBM. Started working in Hyperledger Fabric at around 2017 and a maintainer in Fabric. Also a first year, just joined tech. Now I'm working on Fabric X. And as Senthil said, hoping to get to know you all and potentially forge some collaborations and do some interesting things together.
Hey, I'm Arno Rutjes. I'm from the Netherlands, long-time user of LFDT stuff, and since recently also a maintainer of the Token SDK, the Fabric Token SDK, and soon also EVM compatibility for Fabric. And of course, looking forward, blah, blah, same as all of you, collaboration.
Hey, yo, I'm Michael Cantor, president of Hashgraph Online. I also serve on the technical steering committee beside Hendrik and a few others there at Hashgraph. We're currently working on creating the open source agentic internet for AI agents everywhere. And I'm very excited about collaborating, talking, and discussing the future of open source.
Hey everyone, I'm Rob. I'm working with Hendrik and Michael on the Hyro project, contributing there. This is my kind of first dive into open source, first open source project I've worked on, so I'm kind of here to learn more about how other projects do their open source and kind of what we at Hyro can take away and enhance our project there as well.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Andrew Brandt. I'm on the HIRO organization as well. I'm one of the project maintainers there. I work primarily kind of with the GitHub Actions and a lot of the platform level stuff. Keeping our repos secure and stable and helping out with workflows and actions wherever possible. This is my first exposure to open source. I've been involved for about 18 months. Before that, I was with Boeing, so kind of the complete opposite. Boeing military to open source land has been quite the adjustment in the best way, I would say. And here I'm looking to really meet and connect with people and just kind of expand my open source horizons and really learn more about it. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Simi. I'm with Hashgraph as well, and I work alongside Hendrik and Rob and Andrew and everyone here on those projects. This is my first introduction to open source as well, so just looking to learn more about what that means and how other maintainers are, managing getting contributors and all of those kinds of things to grow and sustain their project. And yeah, looking forward to chatting with all of you guys.
Hi, I'm Maria Monaro. I'm a maintainer for Fabric Private Chain Code. I've been with Fabric, in a sense, since 2017. Since 2021, I've been helping out with with Fabric Private Chain Code. I'm living in Argentina, so I've literally just arrived. My plane landed, and I got a shared Uber up here. I've been traveling since last night. Hence why I'm eating my lunch right now, because what I want to get out of this is to understand more what the other projects are, because in the day-to-day, you usually, there's a lot of other projects, but you can't focus on them. And I think that's the most important thing, trying to understand what the others are, and, well, collaboration will arise once one understands what the others are doing, right? I'm guessing you're the last one?
Sure, yeah. Hi, I'm Cameron. Probably haven't seen me before. I'm from LayerZero. I lead our banking and capital markets work. I'm looking forward to just learning about the state of LFDT, all the open source projects that you guys are managing. And if there's something I could do to help in terms of connecting to LayerZero, happy to do that. So, thanks.
Hello, I'm Jessica. I've been in LF for 9 years this February, and with LFDT for 1 year in February. So I'm working mostly with the HIRO community, and I'm very excited that everybody's here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rai. I've interacted with probably 110% of you. I've been here since this was the open blockchain project from IBM, and then became Hyperledger, and then Hyperledger project, and then LFDT. I'm excited to meet some people that I've been talking to for years and get to know you. If there's anything that we can do as staff, Jessica and I and David, we're all on the same team. We are here to help you have a successful open source project. And if you have questions, if you need a hand, please reach out. Don't struggle. Let us struggle for you. Anyway, I'm glad you could make it. I understand the difficulty of the travel. So thank you for flying all the way up here.
Yeah, and also to introduce Sean, who's also part of the LFDT staff. He's down at the lobby helping people come in. So if Sean is also here available to help, he has a ton of experience with identity-related projects. If that's of interest to you, talk to Sean today and tomorrow. He's also part of the Open Wallet Foundation. So if you have questions about that community, he can help you with that as well. And with that, why don't we get started? I think we'll have more people joining throughout the day. I've been hearing from people about, just landing right now. I think we'll have a full house tomorrow. More people will come throughout the day, but I'm glad. Thank you again for showing up today, and we hope this is very useful for you. But with that, why don't we, Hendrik, do you want to?
Yeah, and I forgot, I also work on OWF, so if you have open wallet questions, and I also work on post-quantum crypto, so if you have PQCA questions. So I forgot. I was focusing on LFDT, not on the whole thing. So
No worries. Do you want to say anything, Hendrik, or should we jump into?
I mean, normally, so normally Arun, who's the chair of the tech, wanted to give an introduction, give a short introduction to the tech with a message about how the tech can help all the projects and so on. Since Arun is still not here, based on the weather, I as the vice chair can at least welcome you from the tech, and maybe if you never worked with the tech, or maybe even do not exactly know what the tech is and how it could help you, maybe two sentences on that. So the tech is, from my point of view, again, a steward on all the projects we have in LFDT, with a clear goal to define some best practices and even define some standards, security standards and things like that on the projects. And I'm here in the tech since 2 years now, and what I learned in these 2 years is that the tech cannot work without the feedback of the project. So in those 2 years, we got a lot of feedback from the project regarding things like how should we handle good first issues? How do we handle security when it comes, as an example, to SSF security scorecards and things like that. And there were several things in the definition of the tech where we figured out, okay, in the reality in the projects, it must be a little bit different. And we got a lot of great feedback in that. And I assume that is what I would like to bring to this group. It is so important that you bring your knowledge and your feedback to the tech, because then we can share it over all the projects and create meaningful best practices. And the tech calls are open. Everybody can come to a tech call as a guest, visit the call, listen to it. And I mean, even if there are questions, bring in questions and things like that, right? So don't need to be in every call, but what we've did in the past is that some projects brought in good ideas. Like we had one person who gave, normally we should start with that topic today, she's still not here, but one person that brought in a very good overview about good first issues and how it can be used to create more diversity in the project. And things like that is what I really would love to see more in the tech coming from the community to it. Yeah. I hope that is more or less what Arun wanted to say too. I have no clue. Anyway, and with that, I already talked with David. The program that we now have is a little bit problematic because, for example, the first session is, the speaker is not here, right? That was Sophie, who would have been.
I think she'll be.
Yeah. We moved things around. So what is then the first topic?
I just wanted to share. The goal of these next 2 days is not to have a ton of presentations, but there was some information I wanted to share with people. So I was thinking we could start, I could go through really quickly just a handful of slides about how staff can support you with the work that you're doing. And then we can transition to a more interactive session where we can talk about what's working for your project, what's not working, learn from people that you haven't met yet. So maybe we jump into that, and then we'll see if new people arrive and kind of play it by ear a little bit. But I think that's what we can do for the next couple, hour or so. So let me. Sorry, I feel so far away over here, but.